If you're looking for a Ledger wallet and not sure which model to pick in 2026, this is for you. Ledger has a few options now, and I'll compare the Nano X, the Nano Gen 5, the Flex and Stax to help you decide. I've bought all of these wallets myself, and if you're interested in one after seeing this video, I will leave a link below in the video description for that can give you free stuff if you're using it. Let's start with the Nano X, costing around $149. This is the classic model, a small device like a USB stick with 2 buttons and a small screen. I mainly use the cable connection to desktop, but it also uses Bluetooth for mobile connection. In my opinion, this device is reliable. I've used it for many years, but the buttons and the small screen on it makes it feel quite clunky, especially for beginners. It got the secure element chip EAL5+, which is good, but not the latest one. So if you want the old school reliable device, it works fine, but if you want something easier, I would skip it. Next, the Nano Gen 5, costing around $179. This is the affordable model amongst their newer touchscreen wallets. This got a 2.8-inch e-ink monochrome screen and a bit plastic feel to it. It got NFC and Bluetooth support, but can also be connected by cable to your desktop. This comes with the upgraded EAL6+ secure element chip, meaning it's also tamper resistant compared with the Nano X. In my experience, the touchscreen makes confirming transactions much smoother, so if you're new to Ledger and want the added security, this is a strong choice. The Flex wallet is very similar to the Gen 5, but it got a better build, making it cost around $249. This wallet got a higher resolution display with a Gorilla Glass screen, and it's a little bit bigger. Other than that, it got the same security chip and other features. So honestly, unless you want a better build design, the Gen 5 does the same for less. Finally, the Ledger Stax, costing around $399. This got a curved 3.7-inch e-ink screen, stackable design and wireless charging. This can also display NFTs directly on the screen. The touchscreen and the overall design makes this wallet feel the most premium I've ever felt on a wallet, but in my view it's for people who want the luxury or that NFT display. Otherwise, it also shares the same security chip and other features as the 2 other models. So I think it's a bit too expensive for basic use if you just want to store your funds. My pick for the best Ledger wallet in 2026 is the Nano Gen 5. It sort of gives the updated Nano X feel to it, but with the upgraded security and a much easier to use touchscreen design, making a big difference overall of using the Ledger wallets. If this video helped you, consider helping me with a like.